The Etekcity remote control outlet switch lets you remotely control hard-to-reach appliances and devices. A strong RF signal works as far as 100 feet in through doors and walls without interfering with other electronics, allowing convenient control over small household appliances from across rooms or on second floors. The learning function enables you to program the learning outlet receiver to suit your particular needs. Match any button on any remote transmitter so you can control each outlet individually or all at once. With this level of control in your hands, you'll increase the efficiency of your household easily and conveniently. Integrate other Etekcity learning remotes and outlets to work seamlessly together. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Remotely control hard-to-reach appliances and festival lights without on/off switches at the push of a button, an ideal ally to those with limited mobility. Number 2. 100 feet. Operating range. The remote outlet's strong RF signal works through doors and walls without interfering with other electronics, operating from as far as 100 feet. In line of sight. Number 3. Easy to use. Just take the remote control outlet kits out of the box, insert the battery in the remote and plug the outlet in your appliances, then you can sit on your cozy sofa and enjoy the convenience. Number 4. Learning function. Use more than 3 outlets with the same remote, and simultaneously control one outlet with more than 2 remotes. Number 5. Go green, save green. Etekcity remote control outlets are FCC certified, ETL listed. Outlets remain off after a power outage to save energy, eliminate wasteful standby power and save on your electric bills. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.